Publishing a Qualtrics survey makes it available for respondents to complete. Here's how to publish your survey. Log into Qualtrics. Go to Qualtrics and log in with your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, find the survey you want to publish and click on its name to open it in the survey editor. Finalize your survey. Ensure your survey is fully designed and tested. Review questions, logic, and settings to make sure everything is correct. Access survey options. Click on the Distribute tab located at the top of the survey editor. This tab contains options for publishing and sharing your survey. Get survey link. In the Distribute section, click on Anonymous link. This generates a unique URL that respondents can use to access your survey. Copy this link to share it. Adjust survey settings. Click on survey options if you need to configure settings such as response collection, survey expiration, or respondent anonymity. Adjust these settings according to your needs. Publish your survey. If everything is ready, click Publish or Activate Survey to make it live. This ensures that the survey is available for respondents to access. Share survey link. Distribute the copied link via email, social media, or embed it on your website to start collecting responses.